नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज मैं आपको क्लैम्पर्स बताने जा रही हूँ। ठीक है, इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स हैं, तो एक बार मैं आप लोगों ने आप सबके पास बुक्स हैं, सिलेबस है, तो मैं आपको क्लैम्पर्स बता रही हूँ। देखिए, क्लैम्पर्स एनालॉग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड है, ओपैम सर्किट से रिलेटेड है। वैसे तो ये बेसिक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में भी होता है, पर अभी मैं ओपैम से रिलेटेड बता रही हूँ। क्लैम्पर्स जो होते हैं, दीज आर द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट्स दैट प्रोड्यूस एन आउटपुट, okay, that is similar to the input. That means a clamper is an electronic circuit. Okay, how will you start it? It is an electronic circuit that produces or that generates, that produces an output similar to input, but with a shift in the DC level, with a shift in DC level. Okay, so you can also say that its output should be an exact replica of the input. It should be resemble to the input exactly. So peak to peak amplitude of output, peak to peak amplitude of output of clamper, this is always equal to the input. Basically, this is very important point, always equal to input. Okay, now you have positive clamper, just write it down. Positive clamper. Okay, now you have this op-amp. Okay, and see, this is the resistance R1, this is the capacitance C1, and this is the applied input voltage V input, and this is the feedback, this is the diode D1, this is actually, this is also minus VEE, and this is plus VCC, and here it is the reference voltage. Okay, and according to this R2 is connected to the biasing network, that means this is R2, it is connected to the supply voltages. Now this is your V reference. Okay, now this positive clamper, what does it do? That it produces an output in such a way that input signal gets shifted vertically upwards by a positive DC value. Positive clamper means that it produces an output in such a way, it produces an output in such a way that input signal, okay, gets shifted vertically upwards. Arrow means vertically upwards. Okay, vertically upwards by a positive DC value. Now, as the input voltage is applied to the inverting terminal of an op-amp, so it is applied to this R1 C1 network, because capacitance blocks DC and allows AC signal to pass, so it is only the AC voltage that is being applied to this inverting input terminal. Now DC voltage, DC reference voltage, this DC reference voltage is applied to the negative terminal through R1 C1. Okay, so value of V reference, it can only be chosen by varying R2. This value of V reference can only be chosen by varying R2. Okay, so we get a positive reference voltage, that means the output will be equal to the sum of the sinusoidal input voltage signal plus reference voltage signal. Okay, okay, now V input gets shifted vertically upwards by positive reference value. It means what? That which signal will this V input is shifted, it is shifted vertically upwards by reference value, by reference voltage value. Okay, now what will be its waveform? See, this is the signal, okay, this is the input signal, getting? And this is input voltage, this is the horizontal axis. And according to the positive clamper, you know, clamper basically they are used to introduce or restore the DC level of input signal at the output. So because its main function is to shift the signal vertically upwards by some positive DC level value, so the positive clamper will look like this. In the positive side it will shift, and this will be look like this. Okay, so this is V output, okay, and this is input signal, and this is output signal, okay. Okay, so amount of the shift, the amount of shift only depends upon the DC reference voltage, DC reference voltage, okay. Now you have negative clamper. Now talk about the negative clamper. Okay, so just draw the diagram. We draw the diagram like inverting terminal, non-inverting terminal. Here again it is R1, it is C1, and it is V input. And again here we have just changed the polarity of the diode. This is the circuit diagram of negative clamper, and this is the diode D1, okay. And here it is minus VEE, and it is plus VCC, and here it is V reference, and this is what? This is R2. Okay, so this is what? This is output voltage. This is the circuit diagram of clamper. See, always remember in the clamper there is a C1 and R1. Capacitors are energy storing devices, so they will also be taken into consideration. So this negative clamper, it generates an output in such a way that input signal gets shifted vertically downward by a negative DC value. Means it produces an output so that in such a way that input signal gets shifted vertically downward by a negative DC value, okay. So here V input is applied, it is fed negative by the network R1 C1. So here we get reference voltage equal to, so here we get reference voltage is equal to negative value, okay. Now what will be the output? Output will be again equal to the sum of the V input, sinusoidal V input signal, and the reference voltage, okay. So clamper circuit, negative clamper produces an output in such a way that sinusoidal signal V input gets shifted vertically downward. It means it gets shifted vertically downwards by this reference value, okay. Now what will be the waveform? How it will look like? See, this is what? This is the input signal waveform, which is sinusoidal in nature, okay. This is input, this is horizontal axis, and this is T, and here it is O, origin, or you can say horizontal axis starting from the origin. This is output signal waveform. And how it will? Because it is the circuit of negative clamper, and only the diode polarity is diode polarity and the reference voltage polarity is reversed, okay. So here it will shift the input signal vertically downwards by some DC level, so it is the required DC level, and here the signal will shift like this, okay. It will be like this way, okay. So this is what? That from output we have what? That negative clamper जो है आपका, this negative clamper shifts applied input waveform, the applied input signal or the sinusoidal input signal, applied input waveform vertically downward at the output. So here the amount of shifting, always remember the amount by which the signal is shifted, sinusoidal input signal is shifted vertically downward, it is only depending upon the DC reference value. Okay, so here this is a circuit diagram of negative clamper. Here it is, see, the sinusoidal input signal is applied at the inverting input terminal through R1 C1 network. C1 just blocks DC and passes AC because AC is fluctuating in nature and DC is only a fixed signal. It okay, because sinusoidal signal can be changed either in positive half cycle or can be in negative half cycle, it can be shifted like this, but the DC signal remains continuous in only one direction, it is the DC signal. Okay, this is DC, and sinusoidal is like this way, positive half, negative half cycle, that's why it is AC in nature. So here the diode polarity is reversed and the V reference with this R2. Okay, V reference can be achieved by varying the value of this R2. So बस आपको ये सर्किट याद करना है, आपको इतना पता होना चाहिए कि इसका वेव फॉर्म क्या है. ओके, तो ये मैंने आपको बता दिया. इसमें देखिए डायोड की पोलैरिटी कैसी है, इसमें ऐसा है, और इसमें डायोड की पोलैरिटी कैसी है, ऐसा आपको इतना पता होना चाहिए. अमाउंट ऑफ शिफ्ट इन बोथ केसेस डिपेंड्स अपॉन द डीसी रेफरेंस वोल्टेज. तो टिल देन आपको अगर ये मेरा पढ़ाया हुआ समझ में आया हो तो इसको लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. टिल देन थैंक यू.